Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add DNS records in Spaceship domain. Alright, let's begin. To add DNS records in Spaceship, first log into your account and ensure you've purchased a domain. Then go to All Products, Domains, Domain Manager. Here, you'll see a list of all your domains. Click the domain you want to update. Next, select Name Servers and DNS, followed by Advanced DNS. Agree to any prompts or warnings that appear. Once inside the DNS settings, you can now add custom DNS records. Scroll down to find the option to add a new record. For example, if you want to add a CNAME record, select CNAME, then enter the required details such as the host and the value. After filling in the information, click Add Record. Your new DNS record will now be saved and updated. You can repeat this process for other types of records like A, MX, or TXT records, depending on your requirements. This process allows you to manage all DNS settings for your domain efficiently and connect services as needed. So that's basically how you can add DNS records in Spaceship domain. That's it for this video. Thanks.